Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. In the box of the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12, you'll find the camera itself, two AA batteries, an instruction manual, warranty information, and a color-coordinated wrist strap. The camera comes with a built-in lens cap when in the off position, and film, which comes in packs of 10 sheets, is sold separately. The 12 is available in pastel blue, mint green, blossom pink, clay white, and the shade featured here, lilac purple. Each of these cameras prints off 2.4 by 1.8 inch prints, which are roughly credit card sized, and they take about 5 seconds to come out of the camera. Development time once they're ejected is about 90 seconds, and I've attached some of that to the end of this video, so if you're staring at the video and wondering why you can hear me speaking, but it doesn't really look like anything's changing, look at that print closest to the camera in the center of the frame. That one's developing in real time. You'll also find on each of the Mini 12s a selfie mirror, twist control, a 5-minute auto-off function, and built-in flash lighting. Fujifilm kind of slowly upgrades their flash over time, and it's really good. Like if you're taking a selfie in a bright area versus a dark area, you're always going to get like a nice, crisp, clear, illuminated face. I've reviewed so many Instax models at this point in my life. Just for Best Buy, I think at last count I'm at like 9, and yet without fail, they're all pretty impressive. I think that this is a really great instant camera, and Fujifilm makes little updates every year to just keep things current, and I've been very happy with the quality of each and every single one of them. The biggest change that you'll notice from the Instax Mini 11 or previous models versus the current Instax Mini 12 as of 2023 is that this new Mini 12 features Parallax technology. It's never been seen before in the Instax Mini line, and it's quite a nice little inclusion. What Parallax technology does is it helps line up what the camera lens sees and what you see through the viewfinder. So if you're looking at your camera body, any camera body, but specifically these, your lens is in the center. It's that black hole that's like pretty much right in the center of the Mini 12. But your viewfinder is closer to the top and it's off to the side a little bit. So in previous models of the Minis, you would look through the viewfinder and you'll see approximately what you're going to get a photo of, but it's not spot on because there is that little bit of distance between the two. With Parallax technology, you won't notice any difference between the two. What you see is much, much closer to exactly what you're printing. Overall, I think that's a relatively small change. If you have an 11 that you're really happy with, I don't know that I'd get rid of it in order to get the 12 instead, but if you're choosing between a recent model and the 12, I would definitely recommend going for the 12. As usual, I ran this camera through a basic set of photo tests to make sure that it measures up to the rest of the Instax Mini range, and of course it did. That's kind of why you'll notice the same photos in all of my camera reviews. I'm taking the same shot to make sure that I'm getting the same or better results every single time. And what I noticed in this one is that the close-up mode really does make a difference. You get a slightly different shooting experience, and I particularly noticed a much creamier background, like a blurrier background, so the front in the macro mode is more in focus. Fujifilm Instax Minis are often recommended as gifts for kids and younger adults. But I will say, with the Parallax technology, this is a pretty great gift for yourself or someone else who loves photography and wants that film experience. You're really limited with every pack having only 10 slides, and because it's so precise, it's really going to help you develop your eye for composure. So if you're looking to hone your skills, this is a very fun, affordable, kind of bubbly treat, but it can be really good for skill development. For more thoughts on this camera and my full review, make sure to check out my post on the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.